everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the trending AI photo that everyone posting lately using Gemini's Nano Banana tool. It's super easy, completely free, and you can do it right on your phone. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open Google Gemini. You can open it through your browser or you can open it through the app like this, and then just log in with your Google account. And next, just tap on create image to access the Nano Banana, or you can also just tap on tools icons and then create images like this. This is Google newest feature that lets you instantly create or edit images just by typing a prompt. Next, just upload your photo, the one that you want to turn into a AI version. Make sure the picture is clear and your face is visible because the tool will use it as a reference. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. And then let's type a prompt. Before I already prepared my prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt or just feel free to change a few details, for example the outfit color, background or pose, and then just match your own styles. Next I will just copy my prompt like this and then just go back to Gemini and then paste it. And then when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this. As you can see, Gemini will process your photo, and the result, it looks super realistic, like the SLR portrait shoot, and the soft light and the bouquet, everything looks so cinematic. And okay, that's it. That's how you can create trending AI photo easily using Gemini and Nano Banana. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.